Well, the fact that we've been able to raise $1.4 million through this event at Powder River Ranch is just phenomenal.
We have been so successful with Polo on the Green, and every year it's turned out to be better than the year before. It's a live event, it's a great party, a lot of fun, but the main thing is to try and beat the budget so we have more money available for the children of Iowa.
It feels so good to be able to give back to the kids. It feels so good to thank all of the people in the community that have supported Polo year after year after year, and the new sponsors that have come in, reaching out, connecting, understanding that Polo is a great way to have a new experience, to connect with the charity, and to generate additional resources for the kids of Iowa.
Molly and I plan on supporting Variety Club for the rest of our lives. And the coronavirus is here today, but the need hasn't gone away. The need is still here. And we need to do whatever we can to fill that void and make the fundraiser as successful as possible.
The reason that we're so hopeful people will continue to support this event and the kids of Iowa, even though we're not able to host a polo match this year, is the fact that the need is significant. In fact, this year the need is greater than ever with the virus, with other social issues that have hit our city and hit our state. It's really important to support these kids. Variety in some cases is the only link to these kids, to be able sometimes to have lunch, to have a bike, to have an opportunity to have an experience. So by supporting Polo on the Green and our Fun to Need programs that we're offering this year is a phenomenal way to help the kids and to keep them safe, healthy, and growing for the future.